Africa also suffers from significant geographical disadvantages. This is a fragmented continent. There are 54 countries. Many of these countries are small. They're landlocked. Economically, they are subscale. And a failure to harness economies of scale, either on a regional basis on infrastructure, results in these challenges to constructing new infrastructure. Countries also tend to act frequently unilaterally in terms of infrastructure development, and they fail to harmonize and integrate their infrastructure standards and protocols on a regional basis, which would make it actually cheaper and much more efficient to build infrastructure. There's limited integration internally within Africa, and that contributes to far less inter-regional trade. And in addition to that, there's limited integration with other global economic players. Most African countries are not embedded in the global supply chain, and they're not embedded because they don't have the infrastructure. But if they don't get the infrastructure, they will never be embedded into the global supply chain. Also, we find that a significant proportion of our population is in rural areas, and those rural areas are less densely populated. If you take a look at Southern Africa, it has this impediment. Building infrastructure for dispersed rural communities is a lot more difficult, a lot more expensive than building it for dense urban populations.